Hello everyone and thanks for watching this video. In this video, we're going to talk about the steps to perform simultaneous deployment and rollback. Today, we're going to cover an overview on simultaneous deployment and rollback, steps to perform the simultaneous rollback, and rollback criteria option. From Remedy version 1902 onwards, we can deploy D2P packages on all servers in a server group simultaneously to speed up the deployment process. In the same way, we can roll back the D2P packages simultaneously as well. It's important to note that when we are using this method, the entire server group might go down when we run the AR payload utility, as this will be restarting the AR server services. It's a good practice to not include the administrator server as a part of simultaneous deployment or rollback. Now let's have a look to these steps. The steps to perform simultaneous rollback are same as deployment. We log into the server and we need to open the AR System Deploy Manager console. We'll open the D2P package, and before we select deploy on a deployed package or rollback, we need to open the AR System Monitor form. As you can see, in this form, we will have the different list of servers part of the environment based upon their monitor type. Here, we need to update the ranking of the monitor type to be same. For example, 1 or any other number. Once we are done with that, we'll select deploy or rollback of the D2P package. Post this, we'll view the package and we'll select the deployment payload entry type. Its status should be pending deploy or pending rollback. We'll then select view payload status button. On the single point deployment status form, we will see that all servers will be waiting for utility run with the same ranking. This will be the time when we'll run the AR payload utility on all servers simultaneously. Post which we should view the package one more time and confirm the payloads have finished deployment or rollback successfully. A quick note here. We don't have to wait for each host status to change to deployment success or rollback success before running the payload utility. We need to run this utility on all servers simultaneously. Now let's have a quick demo to see how to perform simultaneous rollback. For this, I'll log into my server and access the AR System Deploy Manager console. Here I have an ITSM 1908 package which is deployed successfully. Before I select the rollback option, I will navigate to AR System Monitor form, monitor type entries to perform the simultaneous rollback. As we can see, I have two servers with rank 1 and 2. I'll update the rank of my second server to match with the first. We'll save the entry, and we can see both of these now have the same ranking. Now I'll go back to my Deploy Manager console and select rollback. I'll say yes and OK. We can see that the status has changed to pending rollback. This is the time when we'll view the package. And we can see the deployment payload entry has the status as rollback pending. This is where we'll select this entry, select view payload status. And on this deployment status monitor form, we can see both of my servers are ranked with 1 and they are both received the signal to run the batch file. This is the time when I run the batch file on both of these servers simultaneously. Here you can see I have navigated to AR system directory, and here I'm going to call the AR payload utility.batch. It has started. This is the same time when I'll run the utility on my second server as well. I'll call the same utility under my AR system directory and we'll hit enter. And we can see this has started as well. Now, if we go back to our status form, we can see both of these servers are performing rollback simultaneously. Now we can see both the server has finished the rollback simultaneously. This will be the time when all the other package items will start the rollback and we'll roll back this package completely on the server. That's all I have on this topic. Thanks all.